Today we are cutting curves with my Links and Circles template set. First you start out with a 4-inch strip set and cut the half bow tie template. Then you will use 5 1/4-inch strips to cut out your quarter circle templates. Once you are done with those, you will continue to cut until you have the required amount needed. I'm using it for my lava lamps pattern. You can lay these out in a variety of different ways, as you will see, but you want to vary the fabrics that you cut using each template set. This is not a drunkard's path, as you can see by the way that I am laying these out. Once you have all the required pieces and variety of fabrics cut out, you will lay them out on your design wall, as you can see here. This particular pattern is my lava lamps pattern from my Splash of Color book. You can make this too. The scrappier the better, and it's easy peasy to put together. If you'd like to know how to piece a curve seamlessly, I have another reel that you can watch, or you can see it on my YouTube channel as well. Thanks for stopping by.